Hey, have you ever had one of those Saturdays where you just wanted to sit and watch TV? Vacuum cleaner broke, so you got to replace the hose. So I've got a Shark vacuum, and it's notorious because I've had another one that the actual handle breaks. So went online, actually got it from Amazon. Get the whole assembly replacement. You could get the hose replacement, which would take taking the screws out of the handle to put the hose back in and everything else for $20. Then you have to worry about stripping out the screws, trying to put them back in, all the potential cussing and everything else, doing that. Or for $27, you get the whole new hose assembly. So we're going to do the recliner vacuum cleaner repair. This is an easy process. Sitting in your recliner, first thing, press the little red lever on the back on the handle, pop that off the top. Down here, you've got these two connectors here, one on either side. You press those in, and that disconnects the hose. Take the old assembly off. Grab the new assembly. Make sure you line up the little clips. Slide those in, slot those in. Press it until they snap. Take your handle, pop that back on. And you've just now replaced the handle and hose assembly on your Shark vacuum cleaner. You spent 2 hours out in the shop working on it, and kick back and relax and watch some more sports on TV. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.